I've been talking about this for the last 2 weeks, so let's jump right into it. We're going to be comparing the Canon C200's RAW light against the RED weapon RAW highlight recovery. And what I'll do is I'm going to show you each clip at each of the different exposure values, and then I'll do a side-by-side and tell you which camera shot which clip. If you enjoy this type of content, be sure to let me know. And if you want to see more of this type of content and you haven't already subscribed, seriously, what are you waiting for? And be sure to ring that bell so that you can be notified and you won't miss any episodes in the series. So let's jump in. First, we're going to start with the properly exposed clips. So neither of these are underexposed or overexposed. And now, let's take a look at the side-by-side. Moving along, let's look at one stop overexposed. On the side-by-side, you're going to quickly notice that the red clip was actually not affected. The contrast is still there, the colors are still there. Pretty much the entire clip looks exactly like the properly exposed clip. And now, 2 stops over. On the side-by-side, you're going to notice that the red clip still looks just as good as the properly exposed clip. The highlights and the shadows are being somewhat affected, but not in a negative way. Moving on to 3 stops over. On the side-by-side, we can very clearly see that we have hit the Canon C200's limit. If you want to learn more about why you should not overexpose RAW or C-Log on the Canon C200, I'll be sure to leave a link in the notes so that you can check out last week's video. And now, 4 stops over. On the side-by-side, we can very clearly see that red basically runs away with it. My takeaway here is that even though both cameras shoot at the exact same RAW compression level, not all RAW is created equal. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.